Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of it, and of course guys, make sure you practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all these assets. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on the time that you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and of course right from this support zone we had a buy signal which went up till it got to this region, and right from there it has started a down a downtrend. We can see the trend signal. It has popped out, and of course here is the sell signal, and of course this is selling at the moment. So for this we will be having more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. Boom 500 gave us a buy signal right from here, came to an end around here, even though it staggered a lot around there, but it went on downtrend and ended it around the support zone, and right now it's going back on buy trend. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Then the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000. It had been on downtrend for a very long time, got to this support zone, was unable to go below that, so it bought for a while, got to this resistance zone, and right now it is selling. This selling opportunity might not be for a very long time. If it breaks out below this support zone, let me highlight it. If it breaks out below the support zone, then definitely it should get to this region. Okay, so for now this is still selling at the moment, except if it's unable to break out from here, and of course it will go back up to try out this particular resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so you should take note of that. The next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. Crash 500 actually went on uptrend right from here, and it came to an end at this resistance zone. Right from here it is selling at the moment, but at this support zone it was unable to break out below it. It tried it out around there, was unable to break out below it, still try it out again, still unable to break out below it. So it's trying to pull back to see if it will break out above this resistance zone. If it breaks out above the resistance zone, then it's going to sell more, but if it does not, then we expect it to still, it's going to buy more, but if it does not, we expect it to sell back and break out from this support zone. So we are expecting more of a selling opportunity. That is if it does not break out from here, but if it breaks out from here, it's going to buy more. Okay, so for now we expect more of a selling opportunity. Okay, the last asset is going to be V75. Okay, this is V75. V75 is actually on downtrend at the moment. After getting to this resistance zone, it started selling, got to this support zone, had a pullback, and went back down again. Here is another support zone. It's most likely for it to have another pullback, except if it breaks out below this support zone, that is when it will sell more till it get to this last support zone. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the opportunity and apply it carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the up of the strategies, and of course apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.